Yep. Let's starting. In this session, we are going to discuss Python integration with AWS. Here, whether you are a AWS developer or whether you are a AWS admin or you are AWS DevOps engineer or whether you are AWS data engineer or AWS machine learning developer or AWS data scientist, this course will help a lot of you. So here we are focusing on how we can integrate Python with different AWS services. As a Python developer, how we can connect with different AWS services. What are required? How we can connect? How we can write Python applications? So we are going to discuss many important concepts in. So first we'll start with one Python integration with AWS introduction, and then we are going to discuss AWS EC2 instance creation, AWS EC2 instance creation. Third one, we are going to install VS Code, install VS Code. Let's say install VS Code. Then how to connect EC2 instance using how to connect install VS Code in Windows, and then we are going to see how to connect AWS EC2 instance. Let's say how to connect AWS EC2 instance using VS Code through SSH connection. And then we are going to see first Python program, first Python Hello World program, first Hello World Python program on VS Code. Then we are going to see Python integration with integration with different AWS services, like AWS S3, AWS RDS, AWS Redshift, AWS DynamoDB, many more AWS integration team, many more AWS integrations. So these are main important topics we are going to discuss as part of this AWS course, AWS integration with Python integration with AWS. For this team, for this, you need a prerequisite team. Prerequisites. Prerequisites. So you should know Python. Python should be required. So minimum core Python, like scripting oriented programming knowledge. Scripting oriented programming, and optionally procedure oriented and object oriented knowledge. Object oriented knowledge. Next one, AWS knowledge is required. AWS fundamentals. AWS fundamentals knowledge is required. So these are prerequisites for this course routine. Okay.